G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paleo porridge. This is really easy and is very yummy, so let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a small saucepan, put in 2 eggs, about a tablespoon or so of coconut flour, preferably organic, then add half a cup of coconut milk and a pinch of salt. Now just mix this together. I want to mix this well. Now just run over low heat and just keep giving it a stir. And basically just keep doing that until you get the texture that you prefer. There we go. That's getting pretty close to the texture that I like. Now just serve up. Now this amount that I made was just for one. Now just top with whatever. I find sometimes just drizzling just a little bit of pure raw honey or some cinnamon sugar or ground cinnamon. So just a little, tiny little bit of pure honey. A little bit of ground cinnamon. Well, I hope you like this. Oh. That is so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.